everyone. We have now added a brand new Powerup in our checklist feature in Stackby. So now you can save your checklist. Imagine you're adding a single checklist on a particular row. Now you want to add the same checklist in all the rows automatically without having to add one by one. So this Powerup will help you exactly do that. So let's jump right in. So you can basically go to your checklist by expanding a record and clicking on checklist. And here we have added like the basic checklist to create a particular video, right? From drafting to scripting to creation, upload and distribution. We have added a couple of new features here where you can add due dates as well as assign people. So, I can quickly add that and assign people, right? And I can just give the checklist name to video checklist. Here, what I can do is I can mark this as a template. So once this is marked as a template, now this particular template is saved, right? Now, if I want to add another checklist, what I can then do is just click on copy from template. And here you will see the video checklist is already saved and I can just apply. So the same checklist is basically copied onto this particular record as well. And now if I want to apply it to all the rows, within our table. So what I can do is I can go back and click here and I can see, apply checklist to all rows function. So I can apply checklist. Here you see there is a video checklist. Changing checklist will only add checklist where there is none. Click on yes and apply. So now we've seen the checklist is successfully applied on all the rows. So if I open up an expanded record randomly, you will see the checklist is already added on all the records. So I can quickly see it like this, right? So here's, this is a super helpful feature for people who have, set subtasks for their projects or for their initiatives, and they want to apply it for all the records that they have. So this is a very important and a nifty Powerup if you have a project management use case within Stackby. So let us know what you think, and we are constantly improving the checklist feature as well. So there is a follow-up video coming on this, on this particular Powerup. So stay tuned.